motherfuckers, MrMaD up in this bitch, coming at you, pre-recorded, then a motherfucker. Happy 4th of July, y'all. To celebrate, we are going to review this red, white, and blue Twinkies.
Mama?
Oh, well, I said, what? Why is this my Obama voice? I don't know. I'm really bad at impressions anyways. Hostess released, I'm assuming, for the 4th of July, red, white, and blue Twinkies, as everybody else who's trying to cash in on this American patriot fueled holiday or whatever. I don't know what the hell it, what this could possibly entail. I don't see anything like the fucking red, white, and blue means something cool or anything like that. It's just, they literally just fucking put little shits in the batter. And yeah, so they expect you to buy these because it's it's your fucking civic duty as an American to support patriotism through Twinkies, because we're all fat fucking Americans, pieces of shit. And fuck you. Why can't I ever open anything, man? Is this like a thing now? All right, I'm only gonna have one because I don't even like Twinkies, but for the sake of reviewing, I gotta hook y'all's up. So let's just leave this here in the background so you don't see my Mario thingy. Or you do see, I don't give a shit. Alright, so let's see what this is. These are a lot smaller than I had imagined. I thought Twinkies were huge, right? Or, like, I don't know. I haven't had a Twinkie in a while, except for some, every once in a while I have, like, a little piece. But I'm not really that big of a fan to begin with. Alright, let's see what this is gonna be all about. I'm opening it kind of weird just because, I don't know, I'm a weird dude, I guess, whatever. So let's take a look at these. Yeah, you can see like some type of, I don't know, shit. Yeah, shit in the thing. It's supposed to be red. Is that white? Red, green, blue, and white. I don't know, whatever. Let's bite into this bitch. Oh. Yeah. I just don't like fucking Twinkies. These are very bready, doughy. Like that tastes like bread, actual bread, like cornbread, right? The cream filling's all right. The dough is very doughy. It's like very thick and concentrated. I don't taste any of these little sprinkles or flecks or anything like that. It tastes literally nothing like it looks, it just tastes like a fucking, what I'm assuming a regular Twinkie tastes like.
Yes.
Maybe with even a harder coating around the outside, because this wasn't nice and spongy and like, maybe I just haven't had a Twinkie in a while. Maybe this is why they went out of business not too long ago. I didn't like them. I'm gonna just be flat out. I don't like them. But then again, I don't really like Twinkies to begin with. But either way, I expected better. This gets a 1 star. All fucking day. Did not meet my expectations. Was way below my expectations. I expected so much fun in each bite, or like a firework to go off, like American style. But it didn't. No, it wasn't hitting. What did you think?
It tasted like a Twinkie.
Like a regular Twinkie?
Yeah.
Okay. But you like Twinkies, though, right?
Yes.
Okay. So it was exactly like a regular Twinkie, or was this even worse than a regular Twinkie?
A little bit more doughy.
More doughy, yeah. So I concur with that statement. Very chewy, doughy. It's like they overcooked the bread somehow, or the dough, or whatever the fucking this shit is, right?
And it wasn't as soft.
That's what I mean. Yeah, like that's what it was, like chewy.
Actual,
Yeah, it was like biting into a bagel versus biting into a pastry or some shit, which is kind of weird. But all right, well, thanks for trying Hostess. Maybe next year when you get red, white, and blue, or whatever. What's gonna happen next year will probably be dead. Doesn't matter. Anyways, thanks for watching, and peace out.